Have you ever wondered how much science influences our daily lives? From the tiniest atom to the vast cosmos, science unravels the mysteries of the universe. Today we dip into a treasure trove of 101 astonishing science facts. Get ready to embark on a fascinating journey through the world of science. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth? That's right, but it doesn't stop there. This cosmic expanse we call the universe is home to a multitude of galaxies, each one teeming with billions of stars, with many harboring black holes at their centers. The universe is not just vast, it's expanding. Light from the farthest corners of the universe takes billions of years to reach us. That's the speed of light for you, a staggering 186,000 miles per second. Yet, there's more to the universe than meets the eye. Dark matter and dark energy, invisible and mysterious, make up approximately 95% of the cosmos. They're the elusive forces driving the universe's expansion and shaping galaxy formation. Our curiosity doesn't end there. We humans have always looked up to the stars with wonder. Space exploration has taken us to our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon, and has robotic ambassadors on Mars and beyond, all in the pursuit of answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The universe is a vast, mysterious place that continues to astonish us. Ever wondered what lies beneath the surface we walk on every day? Let's delve into the fascinating world of Earth's geology. This planet of ours is a geological marvel with a dynamic crust constantly in motion. Earthquakes, the violent shudders of the planet, are a testament to this ceaseless activity caused by the shifting of massive tectonic plates beneath our feet. But it's not just about the seismic activity. Our Earth is a treasure trove of minerals and gemstones, from common quartz to rare blue garnets. These dazzling materials form over millions of years under extreme pressure and temperature conditions deep within the Earth's crust. Speaking of which, our planet is like a layered cake, composed of the crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Each layer has unique characteristics and composition, making Earth a complex and intriguing celestial body. Now let's shift our gaze upwards. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a stunning display of nature's beauty. This mesmerizing spectacle is actually the result of collisions between the Earth's atmosphere and particles from the sun. And who can forget the geysers, nature's pressure cookers, shooting hot water and steam high into the air, demonstrating the immense power lying just beneath the Earth's surface. Our Earth is a living, breathing entity, continually changing and evolving. Did you know that the total weight of all the ants on Earth is about the same as the total weight of all the humans? That's a lot of ants! From the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales, the diversity of life on our planet is astonishing. There are estimated to be nearly 9 million species on Earth, and yet scientists believe we've only identified a fraction of them, a reminder of how much there is still to explore. Moving on to evolution, it's a never-ending process that has been shaping life for billions of years. It's evolution that has given us the breathtaking variety of life forms we see today, from the bright colors of tropical birds to the complex social structures of ants and bees. And it's all driven by natural selection, the process by which organisms with traits that help them survive and reproduce tend to pass those traits on to the next generation. And let's not forget about genetics and DNA, the molecular blueprints of life. Each cell in your body contains a complete copy of your DNA, which is made up of about 3 billion base pairs. If you were to uncoil all the DNA in your body and lay it end to end, it would stretch from here to the sun and back more than 60 times. Finally, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible adaptations and behaviors in the animal kingdom. Take the Arctic fox, for example, which changes the color of its fur from brown in the summer to white in the winter, providing perfect camouflage against the snow. Or consider the dung beetle, which navigates by the Milky Way, the only known non-human animal to do so. The diversity and complexity of life on Earth is truly mind-boggling. Did you know that the human brain operates on just 10 watts of power? That's less than a standard LED light bulb. Our bodies are truly an intricate wonder, with the brain alone containing around 86 billion neurons, all working together to help us perceive and interact with the world around us. And let's not forget about the microbiome, that bustling city of trillions of bacteria living in our gut. These tiny residents play a crucial role in our overall health, influencing everything from our mood to our immune system. Now let's delve into the world of sleep. Have you ever wondered why we dream? While the exact purpose is still a mystery, research suggests it could be a way for our brain to process emotions and memories. And what about aging? Scientists believe that telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, may hold the key to understanding why we age and how we might slow the process. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is also essential. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can go a long way in keeping our body's intricate machinery running smoothly. The human body is a marvel of nature, a complex machine that we're still trying to fully understand. Science is a never-ending journey of discovery, and we've only just scratched the surface. Today's exploration underscored the awe-inspiring diversity and wonder of science. Remember, the more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much more there is to learn. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep discovering.